Hey guys, oh, finally I got the line correct. They see the blood, you guys see? Or make the lighting blue. But anyways, I'm working on a new project. Well, it's not school related, but it's, what do you call it? Yes, I do know. That's what we learned. Anyway, it's like, I can reload super fast, watch it fast. Anyway. Anyways, working on a new project. It's AK47, and it's a new mod. You know about it. So it's pretty cool. Yeah, I did a new clip right here. Let's look around. But it's AK47. Oh wow, I got the clip done. It looks pretty cool. I'm gonna be spray painting this. It's gonna look bad, but yeah, it's pretty cool. I mean, it took me only about 5 minutes just to make that. Well, it took me forever to get the correct way. I had to cut a lot, but it doesn't do anything. I haven't modified it, but now this is as far as it shoots. Switch it. I see it, but just fired 2 bullets. It kind of makes the fire better, not too much, but just makes it a little. But this is my project right now. It's a little hard. I'm gonna be modifying it soon. I'm gonna be going in, trying to make it shoot at least 720, so I can do a test fight. I don't know where my other video camera is, but anyways, this clip is just 2 nerf clips clipped together. It's not like, oh, you can buy it at Walmart. Which one is good? Actually, but I can show you. But I reload fast. I'm gonna see how fast I can reload. Tell me if I can post a video if we can reload faster, but there it is. Already docked. It's pretty easy. It works good. I mean, you could see the bullets, but it's pretty good. So, subscribe. I don't have any subscribers, and I want to have a few. My goal is to reach 1 million, which will possibly about never happen, but still, see. Well, I hope I can come back later, but pretty good. Oh, I said the dad in this. Anyway, yeah, talk to you guys later.